Good morning to everyone. My name is Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Soundarya Institute of Management and Science, Bangalore. In this video, I am going to explain less than cumulative frequency problem, how to solve. This topic under the subject of quantitative analysis for business decision 1 or in general basic statistics or business statistics. Under the unit number 3 measures of central tendency, here I am going to explain less than cumulative frequency type problem. First, whatever it is there, previous video solved problem is a general method. Here is a special case. In this special case, we need to convert is a general method, then we can solve as it is what we did in the last video problem. Okay. Now, less than cumulative frequency problem, we need to convert as exclusive or continuous series of observation problem. Then we can solve by as usual mean, median, mode method. This is the way is given. Where is given a less than 60, less than 70, less than 80, less than 90, less than 100, 110, less than 120, less than 130, like that is given. We need to make an interval in between. Less than is mean less than 60, less than 70, less than 80. Less than 80 means 70 also included. Less than 60 also included. So we need to split the class interval 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Why we are taking class interval as size means the difference of each column will get 10. So previous interval we need to find out means 60 minus 10, 50. So we need to take class interval as 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, 100 to 110, 110 to 120, 120 to 130. So like this format. Convert less than cumulative frequency problem into exclusive class interval or continuous class interval format. In this way we connected. Class interval we converted. What about frequency? Frequency also we need to convert. First frequency as it is, you write 8. Second frequency 24 minus 8. Third one 56 minus 24. Fourth one 96 minus 56. Fifth one 136 minus 96. Seventh one next one 178 minus 136. 191 minus 178. Like that we need to find out. So we will get 8, 16, 32, 40, 40, 42, 13, 9. So then we can convert into, we can solve by continuous problem. So we can write it in a fresh format, the complete table in the normal continuous frequency distribution type. Okay, we have written here 50 to 60, 8, 60 to 70, 16, 70 to 80, 32, 80 to 90, 40, 90 to 100, 40, 100 to 110, 42, 110 to 120, 13, 120 to 130 is 9. So in this problem, you have to convert it. So less than cumulative problem, we converted as exclusive continuous interval format. So then we can continue with the normal method of solving the problem. Here is the problem written. First we need to find out mean. Once mean is found, we are written in the vertical column. Frequency will be added. Total will get 200. 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus 40 plus 40 plus 42 plus 13 plus 9. 200. Then we know it is a continuous stripe. So we need to find out midpoint. 50 plus 60 divided by 2, 55. 60 plus 70 divided by 2, 65. 70 plus 80 divided by 2, 75. 80 plus 90 divided by 2, 85. 90 plus 100 divided by 2, 95. 100 plus 110 divided by 2, 105. 110 plus 120 divided by 2, 115. 120 plus 130 divided by 2, 125. So we can find out. Next one, we know the formula. Mean equal to summation fx divided by capital N. Capital N already found. Now we need to find out fx. 8 into 55, 440. 16 into 65, 1040. 32 into 75, 2400. 40 into 85, 3400. 40 into 95, 3800. 42 into 105, 4410. 13 into 115, 1495. 9 into 125, 1125. So total of fx column is 18,110. So these are the value we found it. Then mean formula will be written. Substitute 18,110 divided by 200. Then simplify 90.55. So we'll get the mean value. Then we can go for median. Median, as usual, the same procedure. Will be written as vertically. Then we know the total of frequency column 200. We need to find out CF 8, 16 plus 8 24, 32 plus 24 56, 40 plus 56 96, 40 plus 96 equal to 136, 42 plus 136 equal to 178, 13 plus 178 equal to 191, 9 plus 191 equal to 200. So in this way, median is compulsory. We need to be find as cumulative frequency. Then only you can able to find out. Now median formula n divided by 2 term. N equal to 200. 200 divided by 200. 100 where it lies? It lies between 96 and 136. In that maximum is 136. That row we need to be selected. So median class equal to 90 to 100. Here CF will be previous value in the cumulative frequency column. So as per as shown, we need to be find out 96. We know here what is L, lower limit of the median class. Lower limit of the median class is here 90. And n by 2, n is 200 divided by 200. CF, previous value in the cumulative frequency column of the median class, 96. Frequencies in this frequency column 40. So all the values you know. I value difference between upper limit and lower limit of the median class. Next we need to be find out mode. Here before going to that formula, you can substitute L value, n by 2 value, CF value and I value. L equal to 90, previously explained, this value written. N by 2 equal to 100, CF equal to 96, F equal to 40, I equal to 110. So we can substitute in this value. 100 minus 96, 4 divided by 40 into 10. 4 by 40 will get as 0.1. 0.1 into 10 will get 1. 1 plus 90 will get it as 91. That is called median. Next we are going to study about mode. Mode also same problem, converted problem I have taken. That will be written as in the vertical form. Frequency of the second column will get 200. So maximum frequency here F1, that here maximum frequency is 42. That previous frequency is F0. Next frequency is F2. So we can find out in this format. Modal class will be maximum value 42. So we'll get a modal class is 100 to 110 maximum frequency. Then formula will be written where L equal to 100, F1 equal to 42, F0 equal to 40, F2 equal to 13. Here based on maximum frequency only. Previous value F0, next value F2. So all the values is taken, then substituted. 42 minus 40, 2 into 42, 84, 40 minus 9. So we can simplify 2 by 84 minus 40 minus 13 will get 31. 2 by 31 will get 0.06451 into 10.6451 plus 100, 6451. Here ends in this explanation less than cumulative frequency problem. Suppose any calculation is error is there, please check it out. As per your calculation you can write. Here we can able to find out. Thank you. All the best for your future. This is here ends less than cumulative frequency problem method. In the next video we'll continue more than cumulative frequency problem. We'll see in the next video. Thank you and all.